Is it difficult to find the perfect pump for your sink? The Sink Pump Systems will be a perfect choice. Providing durability and corrosion resistance, these pumps also ensure easy installation and maintenance. They also offer sustainable pumping solutions to a multitude of industries. A wide variety of brands offer sink pump systems, including Barn Sink Drain Pumps, Gold Sink Drain Pumps, Hartel Sink Drain Pumps, Liberty Sink Drain Pumps, Little Giant Sink Drain Pumps, Myers Sink Drain Pumps, Red Lion Sink Drain Pumps, Zoller Sink Drain Pumps. The Sink Pump System comprises a completely pre-assembled system specifically designed for floor gray water and residential sump applications. They're capable of running dry without causing damage to the components. You can also use them for wet bars, laundry trays, air conditioner condensate, dehumidifier condensate, residential dishwashers, and beautician sinks. Pump Products is a leading sink pump systems online dealer servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy sink pump systems directly from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selections and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Need it now? We offer fast shipping, with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to sink pump systems. Visit us at pumpproducts.com or call our toll-free number today, 1-800-429-0800.